Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do the English speaking practice. So today basically I've chosen one cue card for speaking in this video that is about describing an online video in, in which you have learned something new. So basically this is the cue card for speaking in today's video. And if you also want to basically speak English fluently, you can try this kind of practices in free time where you can actually improve by speaking in front of camera, or you can record yourself. These are the things which is matter for improving your speaking spoken language, like spoken English. So let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So I prepared like some highlighted points which I'm going to speak on it. So let's jump into this video. So if I talk about, I basically usually uh, watch multiple kind of which video which is not related to my field, and there are certain videos which come around in a YouTube platform. So I got to know one video which is very interesting because I never watch video regarding politics, world politics, like global politics, how it works and how it impacted all individuals. So I got to know one of a tutor who is like preparing for student exam, like such as government exams. So I got to know. I basically watch his video, which is about global politics, like how basically it changed global orders and friendship regarding countries. So in this video, in basically that video, I got to know about like how things works in basically after like winning a election, right? So in that particular video, I've got to know like if a powerful country changes his power, so the policies are drastically changes, and because of that, like there's a lot of impact in other countries, such as if USA won the election, so there is a lot of changes, right? So that is the first thing I got to know, because that is also impactful, if such as in stock market as well, like individual taxes as well. There's a whole things are changes, such as like a war. If you see like I got to know from the video that if previously like there is Biden administrate, so because of that like war happens. Basically, you can say basically war is going on, and after like coming up in the Trump administrative, so there is whole things are changed. Like completely war is gone. Whatever he basically promises, he just fulfill that. So this is a quite big surprising thing, and from that I got to know like there is huge changes in policies and like tariffs or all the things. Basically this is a very great video which I've learned regarding like countries, like what they are interested in, like I got one quote as well where like there is no permanent friend, or you can say always a interest which is always every person or every country looking for. So this is a very eye-opening thing for me, because I think I always feel like there is something for free. But at the end, when I found out that the video and see like whole prospect of global world order, there's always somebody is hungry for something, right? So this is a great thing. So yeah, on this video, if for speaking in this video, that is it. I think I was to the point basically what I try to explain. There is certain things which is also required, but in upcoming days I'll prepare for it, right? So I hope you watch this video, and I hope like how it's basically works to basically speak on the English language, and like preparing yourself, right? So on this video, that is it. I hope you find it helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.